Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. We are busy at home in prep mode for the school year. I'm a homeschool mom and I work from home while my daughter's in the other room. So we often have need for a headset. This over-the-ear wired headphone is the real deal. It's from Brenthaven and I am in love with how rugged it is and durable. So in our home, we've had issues when it comes to the headpiece that goes over the head. It's become cracked. The earmuffs have been ripped. They get worn very, very easily. And the headphone jack has even frayed. This pair is the real deal. It is super rugged and durable and great for kids. What I really like about the company is that they even drop tested this headphone set. So I also decided to try it, and let me tell you, I dropped these things and nothing happened, not even a scratch. I really like the cord that it's tangle free, so you know that it's not going to be fraying and getting caught. The headset works with anything that has an aux jack. So we noticed that you do have to adjust settings on your computer, so be mindful of that if you're using these on meetings. But overall, it's just a great headset. So here is how the mic looks on a meeting, and here is the sound quality. They are nice and compact over the ear, so I really can't hear external noise right now. I can just hear what's going on the meeting, and they can hear me on the other side. I am super happy that we are ready to go when it comes to our upcoming school year thanks to this headphone. I'm sure that you would love it as well, and it will stand the test of time when it comes to durability with your kids. And that's my point of view.